dear student, I am here to take your today's computer lecture. पिछले लेक्चर में हमने लर्न किया था, होप कि आप सबको समझ आया होगा. If you student have any doubt regarding that topic, then ask me freely. Okay? So now in this lecture we can move forward with our next topic. In our first lesson name Internet and Email. आज हम लर्न करेंगे अबाउट वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब www. पिछले लेक्चर में मैंने आपको ब्रीफ नॉलेज दिया होगा अबाउट www. आज के लेक्चर में हम पूरा लर्न करेंगे www के बारे में. इसमें फर्स्ट है वेब ब्राउजर. सो स्टूडेंट, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इट. वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब और www is collection of all the website on the internet. मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में भी आपको बोला था that www consists and contain all these websites which you all can search about something, and it will display a number of sites. It all sites hold on www. Okay. All these websites are linked to one another to form a global web of information. All these sites combine and make global sites and hold by a www. And when user want to search something, or for example, if you want to buy a Navneet book, then you can search about Navneet. It will display you a Navneet site which is hold in a www. Almost all the sites hold in a www. Okay. Full form www, World Wide Web. Mark this, it is important for your exam. Okay. Then our first topic is web browser. A program for getting connected to a www and viewing any information on it. Microsoft Internet Explorer is a web browser. Web browser means if you want to search something, where you go in your phone, like Chrome. Chrome is one kind of a web browser. Many countries have their specific own web browser. Like China has Baidu, name Baidu. It is their own web browser. हम सब सर्च करने के लिए कौन सा ब्राउजर यूज करते हैं? क्रोम और इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. It is one kind of web browser. When user search something or search about a site, or you all student can search about something, it is called a web browser. Web browser allow you to search about something, or if you want to search anything, you can search on web browser. Then next one is web server. Web server, a program or a computer that store all the website. Web server क्या होता है? Web server one kind of computer, or in a computer one kind of storage, or one kind of program which hold all the site informations, and computer that store all the websites. जो भी हम सर्च करेंगे वो सभी साइट वेब सर्वर में स्टोर होगी, और when user enter a particular data or a information that they want to search, it will display that site by और कहाँ से fetch करेगा वो साइट, कहाँ से fetch करेगा? by using, तो वो वेब सर्वर में से fetch करेगा और आपको एज एन आउटपुट डिस्प्ले करके देगा. ओके. उसके बाद है वेबसाइट. a collection of web pages linked to one another. Like this example, if you want to buy a Navneet textbook, then it will display you a knowledge site, and when you click on the knowledge site, it will display a page, number of pages which is connected, and number of pages combined together and make one site. In this Navneet site, you can see a number of standard or number of many other books. It will contain a number of pages which are connected with each other, and it will combine and make one site, which is known as Navneet. Navneet is an example of a site. Okay. Then fourth one is a web page. As I told, website contain a number of pages. Like you open a Navneet site, it will display a number of pages, number of book. When you click on some book, like you click here, it will display another page, and you can see about this particular book, and these all are known as a page. As I told that many and different kind of number of page combined together to make one site, and in this website, if you open website, it will display a number of thing or a number of like Navneet, it will display a number of book. Which is hold on a particular page. Okay. होम पेज, उसके बाद है होम पेज. आप जब साइट को ओपन करेंगे और आपको जो फर्स्ट पेज दिखाई देगा साइट का, उसे बोलते हैं होम पेज. द फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ अ वेबसाइट इज दैट इज नोन एज वेब पेज. ओके. दैट वेब पेज इज नोन एज होम पेज. सॉरी. उसके बाद है हाइपरलिंक. आप सभी ने देखा होगा, कई बार आप साइट ओपन करते हुए तो ब्लू अंडरलाइन, यूजिंग अ ब्लू अंडरलाइन, लाइक ऐसे ब्लू अंडरलाइन वाला आपको पार्ट और ऐसे लिखा होगा, लाइक इन दिस एग्जांपल क्लिक हियर लिखा है, उसके नीचे ब्लू कलर की और इन पर्पल कलर भी हो सकता है, और एज इन पिक्चर भी हो सकता है, जिसकी मदद से आप अगर यहाँ क्लिक करोगे तो आप नेक्स्ट पेज को ओपन कर पाओगे. लाइक दिस, इट इज अ एग्जांपल. लाइक दिस यू कैन सी व्हेन यू सर्च ऑन समथिंग और working on particular site, you can see this kind of area or this kind of thing which is underlined by a blue color or a purple color, which is known as hyperlink. A web address on a web page, it is a shortcut to another web pages. इसके ऊपर क्लिक करके आप move forward to the another page. You can go and you can move forward to the another page. अगर आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे, then it will allow you to open a next page. It could be an image or as an text. Hyperlink as an image भी हो सकता है. आप particular image पे क्लिक करोगे, then you can move forward to the next page. और as an text भी, like I will give you example that click here. ऐसे वेब पेज में ऐसे किसी भी इमेज को भी प्लेस किया होगा, और एज एन टेक्स्ट भी हो सकता है, which is marked by और जो वेबसाइट डेवलप करते हैं उसने एज एन इमेज भी रखा होगा और एज एन टेक्स्ट भी रखा होगा, which is known as hyperlink. By using this, you all student move, or all users move forward to the particular next page. Okay. उसके बाद है URL. It is the address of a website on the internet. URL के बारे में हम डीप में डिस्कस करेंगे। इसके बाद का टॉपिक है इसके बाद का टॉपिक URL ही है। और उसके बाद है HTML, हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। HTML का क्या है? हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। Mark the student, it is important for your exam. It is the standard coding language used for creating web page. HTML क्या है? One kind of developing language which is used to develop a web page. HTML which is used to develop a web. अब अगर आपको अपनी साइट क्रिएट करनी है और अपनी साइट बनानी है on a browser, you can use HTML language for creating your own site. Okay, it is a set of markup codes. HTML consists a set of markup codes which is predefined and fixed. Okay, or a symbol that tells the browser how to display a web page. Each markup code is called an element or a tag, which is referred as a tag. Like HTML consists a number of tags for building and for building a web page or website. It will consist and contain a number of tags and elements for building a web page. Like example, this is called tag. Like this, in the HTML language, there are many more tags are available for building and for if you want to make your own site, it will help you to make this predefined number of tags help you to make your own site. Okay, so HTML is one kind of a web developing language. Okay, next topic is URL. URL is the address. URL is the address of a website. URL क्या है? Address of a website. इसमें part है. This part is known as protocol. This part is www stands for web and navneet which is a host name and .com which is a site type. So let's learn about a protocol. First we learn about protocol. Most web address begin with HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transmission Protocol. Protocol used for fetch a site. When users search for some site, it will fetch on the server and display as an output on a monitor screen or a mobile screen. It will help you to fetch a particular site which is on the web server, and it will fetch that site in the web server and it will display on your monitor screen or in your mobile screen. Okay, this protocol send web page from the web server to your computer. The letter HTTP are always followed by a colon and two forward slashes. This is known as slash. Two forward colon. Always HTTP is always followed by a two colon and forward slash. Okay, dear student. Now we can move forward in the next part. Next part is the web. www. You all know about www, which stands for a World Wide Web. Most web address have a www after HTTP colon or slash. Almost all the site which is hold on www. That's why all site ओके। लास्ट में है टाइप ऑफ पर्टिकुलर साइट। आफ्टर डॉट इन दिस com means commercial. Each different site has different type. Like यहाँ पे in भी हो सकता है। In stand for ये commercial site है Navneet की, because you all can buy here a Navneet book, textbook or another Navneet book. So in this .com, this .com stands for commercial site. Okay, like in भी हो सकता है, org भी हो सकता है, .gov भी हो सकता है. All the type of site which we can learn in a next lecture. Here we can learn only a type like a particular site type. In this site type is a commercial. This part of the website tell you what type of site. ये पार्ट आपको क्या बताएगा, साइट की टाइप कौन सी है। ओके, website is .com stand for commercial site. This means that Navneet is a commercial site. As I told, in this .com stand for commercial site. .in stand for Indian site. .org stand for non-profit and organization. .gov means government site और government organization. ओके, इसके बारे में टाइप ऑफ साइट के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में लर्न करेंगे. Now we can finish here and